Okay, guys, we're back. Is that how that goes? If you know, you know. It's the 4th of July. Well, it's not the 4th of July yet, but we're getting there. Do y'all see these criminal nails? So today I think it's time to do 4th of July nails. Why not experiment? Why not do a little nail art? I was on TikTok and I saw these nails. These are the nails and I know I can do polka dots. But first we need to go get some supplies. This is the same red that I bought from the first video. And for blue, we're gonna go with this one because it's the closest thing I have to American flag blue. For white, we're probably gonna use this. One thing about this base is it's super cloudy and you always have to set it in a cup of hot water so that the cloudiness goes away and then it'll return to clear. Okay, so we got the nails prepped. Do they look any different? We have completed the official first layer of our nails. And now we have to go in with the second layer. Okay, now they officially have their second coat. Now we're ready for the color. I think I'm gonna do this hand blue and this hand red. She did the opposite, but I feel like if you look at a flag, it's like, not that it matters, but okay. I love this blue. So pretty. Why haven't I been wearing this more? I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the top coat and let that dry for 5 minutes so that this hand will be free. And that way when I do the red, it'll be smooth sailing. Okay, now for the red. Now we're gonna add this red and it's called Fasttrack Cherry. The nails are ready. Now it's time to paint the white dot. I use the dotting tool for polka dots because that's smarter. We're done with the first hand. Did we like the 3 dots better than this? This is what we're sticking with. But if I wanted to redo this, maybe I would go with the 3 dots because the 3 dots was kind of cute. Y'all let me know in the comments. Okay, the nails are complete. Are you ready for the reveal? This is not a lie when I say that it took me exactly 20 minutes to film this TikTok nail transition. All for this? All for this? We do not come to this channel for tutorials. If you came to this channel looking for a tutorial, girl, you're at the wrong place. Hit the end button, hit the pause button and go somewhere else. You're on the wrong channel.